Welcome to our channel. If you've lost your EBT card, reporting it immediately protects your benefits from unauthorized use. Follow these step-by-step instructions to report a lost card and request a replacement. Step 1. Call your state's EBT customer service hotline immediately. The phone number is printed on the back of your EBT card and also available on your state's SNAP or TANF website. Step 2. Follow the automated prompts to report your card as lost or stolen. You'll need to provide identifying information such as your case number or social security number. Step 3. If the automated system doesn't offer a lost card option, stay on the line to speak with a customer service representative. Explain that your card is lost and needs to be deactivated. Step 4. Confirm with the representative that your old card has been deactivated. This prevents anyone who finds your card from using your benefits. Step 5. Request a replacement card during the same call. Most states automatically send a new card to your address on file when you report the original lost. Step 6. Verify your current mailing address with the representative. If you've moved recently, update your address to ensure the replacement card reaches you. Step 7. Ask about replacement card fees if any apply. Some states charge a fee for replacement cards, which may be deducted from your benefits or billed separately. Step 8. Wait for your replacement card to arrive by mail, typically within 7 to 10 business days. Once received, call the activation number on the card and set a new PIN before using it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.